If you're looking for a really good filing cabinet, Letaya has sent one for our review, and I'm about to show you everything you need to know about it. I put it together, and there is a video right there playing of me actually putting it together. It took me about 30 minutes to do so. It's a three cabinet drawer. It is super simple to put together. Of course, this is fully metal, right? So it's all metal. You have to be careful about obviously scratching, which is why I'm using kind of a material under the actual cabinet and all the pieces. So I make sure that there's no scratching. So that's great. But every single piece just interlocks to each other. Obviously, there's some drilling. I'm using a power drill because it's a lot faster, as you can see. But yeah, everything, all the panels, get together, fit together perfectly. And I was a little concerned because I'm not a huge fan of drawers, putting them together anyway, because it's always a little bit hard. But the really nice thing is the entire system was already hooked up, set up on the panel. So all I needed to do was set up the panel, both panels on the side. All the railings were already set up. And as you can see, everything comes together really quite easily, super fast. There's no drilling on the railings. There's no kind of like adjusting anything. It's really, really simple. Now, the one thing you need to understand about putting this together is that the clipping and some of the metal folds will have to get folded, obviously, and then screwed in, which is one of the things that you need to do when you're doing the drawers. The drawers is a 3-drawer, like I said, so every drawer is exactly put up the same way, and as you can see, it's super, super easy. The panels just fit perfectly. They slide in, they flap in, and then you just have to screw them in. Even the back panel, you don't even have to screw in because it just snaps in place, which is great. You're going to see me doing this one-man job, which I'm a big fan of because I don't have to ask for any help. It is literally very important here. This is the part that's super important, is to clip it down. So when you think it's going to close, and it does, make sure that that little piece clips in properly. So it kind of like, boom, you just push it down, snap it down. Once you hear that click, you are good to go. It will slide in all the way. And the really nice thing too is that the top part, make sure you lock it and unlock to firmly put it in place. When it is locked into place, all you need to do is lock or unlock with the 2 keys that are provided. The really nice thing is if you lock in the top one, as soon as you lock in the top one, it will lock all 3 at the same time because the 2 side panels have a little latch, 2-button latch. Basically, close it up or pull it down, and then you're going to see that that the key will basically control all of those latches, all of those cabinets, all of the doors, the drawers, to be closed or open, locked or unlocked, which is a really nice thing. But yeah, a really good size. As you can see, it's a really nice size. There are some kind of like some intersections in there to kind of like, separators, if you may, metal separators inside, whether you want to use them or not. In my case, one of the lower drawers, I'm not going to use it because I'm going to be putting other things than just paper. But if you are using it as a paper filing cabinet, definitely use those. Those separators are going to come in real handy. But yeah, all in all, this is a great cabinet by Lataya, and yeah, it was a breeze to install. And once it's installed and screwed in, you can move it about. It is not going to shift. It's not going to move. It's not going to snap out. It's going to stay in its right shape. And yeah, it's a very, very cool cabinet. It's going to be really handy to kind of like start storing the stuff that I have in the studio, all the paperwork, all the knickknacks that I have. Just want to store them away and lock them away, and now I can do that.